Hello everybody. I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to the WALKSIT Carbon Fiber Cane Chair. It's a product we're real excited about. It's very compact, lightweight, and portable. It's 17 inches in total length. As you can see, we're hands-free, so you can tote it anywhere you want to go. If you're traveling, you just want a place to sit. And if you need the cane part, then obviously it's got that option to turn it into a cane. So very lightweight and portable. So the first thing to get it to a cane state and to a chair is to put in the handle. So it's adjustable, which is great. That way you can put it to the right length and height for the cane that you need. There you go. You've got a cane. So you're off to your adventure. Lastly, you've got the legs for the chair. Quickly, it just snaps and deploys. Ergonomic seat, and you're able to sit wherever you want to go and enjoy the event, your outing, and your adventure for that day.